Shep, you like to ride your horsey? You like to ride your horsey? So we got a little bit fussy. So we just... Go for it, Shep. Good job. Good job, Shep. Good job. You like to ride your horse? Shep, you're such a good rider of horses. Do you see a cat? Is that what you're looking at? No? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Yes, Shep. Good job. Good job, Shepherd. You happier now? Oh, you're done. Oops. There you go. Oops.